Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pack with me to show you guys how I pack for my two kids who's currently about 7 months filming and 3 years old. So we're going to the arena where they have the clear bag policy. So just showing you guys how I pack. I just pulled some snacks for my toddler from my snack drawer, and now I'm in my to-go drawer, which I recently organized on camera, so you guys can go watch that last video if you want to see how I organized it. I picked up some saline cotton wipes, some Kleenex, hand sanitizer, things like that to take with us. So of course with a toddler, you have to have snacks, and I already had like some applesauce and fruit snacks in it, so just added a couple more things like the fruit bar that you saw. Another thing I like to do is I pack everything in pouches. So this pouch is the extra clothes. So extra pair of pants, extra long sleeve shirt, a onesie, and some underwear for both the kids. Do that so that things are easy to find and grab when needed. So this is my diaper changing pouch. This has been a lifesaver on several occasions since baby has been born. You don't have to take the whole bag when you need to do diaper change. You just take the pouch or throw the pouch to dad or whoever's going to change baby, because we've had many people change Zuri. So in here, we have diapers, we have bags for dirty diapers, we have the spatula for the Aquaphor, we also have the wipes. And I use this wipe dispenser here that keeps wipes fresh for so long. You guys, I highly recommend that. If you don't want to take a big old pack of wipes, just get that wipes dispenser and it works great. I also keep a disposable pad in here so that, when we're changing her, we can layer on this. So in case she pees or poops, that catches it and it works awesome. So this pouch here is my toddler's bathroom pouch. And we've had this for years since he's been able to potty, and it helps tremendously. So pulling out the toilet seat cover here, you can just place this on top of the seat. It makes using the bathroom, especially when they have to, do the number 2, easier for them, and they can sit on this. I also have a toilet seat liner in the bag that I usually put on top of it, so I don't have to worry about my toddler touching the toilet. Which I just showed you. And I also keep some disinfectant wipes, some Lysol wipes, some wet wipes for the hands. This is an extra to go toilet tissue, because you guys, y'all, I know you've been to the bathroom that didn't have tissue. So we have some in this pouch just in case, and some Pure Fresh wipes to wipe the tissue that are fragrance free. And I've used them, adults use them, and we use them on our kids too. And the little white dot is actually a collapsible wipe. Once you put it underwater, it expands. My son also has really bad allergies, so we keep his epi in here. And then here, this marble little pouch is my medicine pouch, y'all. This is the holy grail. I love it. It has so many different compartments. As you see, when I open it up, the thermometer fell out, and also you see the bottle fell out. In this little zipper part, I keep Band-Aids and antibiotic and alcohol wipes for cuts and bruises and burns, which happens with kids and adults, y'all. It has saved us too. So works out great. So it's our little first aid kit / medicine kit. In the bottle is some Zyrtec for our son, who again has bad allergies, and it also has a section for pills too and supplements. So love it, love it, love it. Now I'm taking Kleenex for the kids, and we're also taking the earphones because we're going to a monster truck show, y'all. My son loves monster trucks, so we all actually go and we watch them too. So taking baby with us and putting my pouches in the bag. Now you're seeing how I pack. Everything fits, and I can easily see and easily grab as well. Most of these items can be found in my Amazon store, the bag included, which I will link everything below. This bag will literally be packed to capacity. Every zipper, every pocket, but it can hold a lot, which I am really happy about. We've used this bag for years, you guys. It hasn't torn. I've taken it to many arenas and many theme parks, wherever we need to take it that requires clear bag policy, and it's worked great. So I put easy to reach things in the front pockets and the side pockets. I put the earphones on top, of course, because we will need them as soon as we get there to put on our kids' ears. Now, you may think I should put the teethers in a bag or separated, but honestly, we'll put teethers in the bag and they've been fine. We also have wipes that I can wipe them down with also before I give them to her. Taking formula for baby girl, so she can get fed while we're out, and also the nipples, put them in the bag too. And there we are. The bag is complete. It is packed to capacity. But mama feels good and we're ready to go. Because look, I like to be ready just in case. I'm that person you want to be with in case something happens. tights. So I'm also showing you that I'm putting one of the Kleenex packs in my pocket of my tights because I can easily grab them and reach them because, you know, kids and runny noses. I also put some sanitizer in my pocket as well because the pockets are deep for these tights. So I'm include a little footage of when we're out. So if you guys want to enjoy a little bit of a vlog style video, here's a little bit of how it went down. You ready?